Hello dear students, today we will start with our another practical which is related to the topic asexual reproduction, and we will study about this reproduction related to the microorganism that is yeast. So now we will study about budding in yeast, which is a fungi. Now first of all I will give you the introduction about the fungi yeast. It is a bird which grows asexually, and a small bird which is a daughter cell detaches itself from the parent cell and thus grows on its own. So this reproduction is via budding, asexual reproduction. That's why we call it as budding in yeast. Now we will start with the experiment. First of all, the aim which I have told you before only, to study the asexual reproduction in yeast by budding with the help of prepared slides. प्रिपेयर्ड आपको पिछले प्रैक्टिकल में भी बताया है, जो परमानेंट या प्रिपेयर्ड स्लाइड होती है जो पहले से बनी है, हमको सिर्फ उसको माइक्रोस्कोप के अंडर में देख के उसका ऑब्जर्वेशन लेना है और रिकॉर्ड शीट बनानी है. So first of all aim, then things required. Or the material required. Here we require two things, as you can see in the picture. These two things are a prepared slide of yeast, prepared or permanent we can say, slide of yeast, and a compound microscope. Now we will start with our procedure. So in this we have to place a permanent slide or prepared slide of yeast showing different stages of reproduction under microscope, and then see it. So here are the observations you have to do. After putting the slide under microscope, you have to observe it after looking and then record your observations. Here we will see it in 4 different stages, the microscopic view of yeast, and record our observations. So here is the microscopic view of the yeast slide. Yeast is an oval or spherical in shape. It is a unicellular organism. Here comes second stage. In second stage, yeast shows small growth on it called as buds. Then the third stage. In third stage, yeast shows, in some situations, many such chain of buds is seen on the parent cell. This process is called as budding. Then in the fourth stage, the buds are fully mature. On maturity, the buds get separated from the parent cell and form themselves as a new organism, and they grow as a new organism. So this whole complete process is called as budding, means formation of new cells. Here I will show you the microscopic view which is observed under the lens of compound microscope. So here firstly we will see that yeast cells are small, spherical or oval in shape. First, small protuber appears on the body of a parent cell, as you can see here in the picture, and then it grows into a full size. Slowly it grows, and it grows into a full size, and which is called as bud. Then the nucleus of parent cell splits into daughter nucleus and then migrates into each outgrowth. मतलब न्यूक्लियस स्प्लिट होता है, डॉटर सेल्स में भी जाता है और वो धीरे धीरे बड़े होते हैं, जैसा कि आप पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं. Budding will keep repeating until the chain of buds is formed. Then the bud will detach itself from the body of the mother and will form the constriction at the base. मतलब वो अपने पेरेंट्स से अलग हो जाएंगे और फिर वो अपनी खुद की बॉडी का डेवलपमेंट करते रहेंगे. The daughter cell produced during this process are smaller than the mother cell. That is a common thing. As a human beings, when they are newborn, they are smaller than their parents. So here also daughter cells are smaller than their mother cell. So here we are able to see nucleus, vacuole, cell membrane and cytoplasma inside the cell. We have now been able to observe that bud formation is there on the slide, and we can conclude that the slide shows asexual reproduction, and that is budding in yeast. So here a fact that yeast is a phenomenal growth rate. It duplicates itself every 90 minutes. So children, this process is completed within 90 minutes. Here I have given the diagram which you have to draw very neatly in your practical notebook, budding in yeast. Now here I have added a small video, live video, how budding takes place in the yeast. Here you can see the cells are there, how the buds are forming. So rapidly this process is happening, and the daughter cells are being separated here from the mother cell. As I told you about the time also, this is a very rapid process, and this yeast is also very helpful in the formation of bakery items. So that's all for children. Thank you.